Push it, push it, push it, push it, push it, bit, little bit, roll it up, take it here, push it, bit, little bit, roll it up, take it here, push it, bit, little bit, roll it up, take it here, feeling like 2 a.m. summer night. Hands on the wheel, fuck that, hands on the wheel, fuck that, hands on the wheel, fuck that, hands on the wheel.
Life for me is just weed and brews. See the whole flock to you when your name is Q. Am I overfaded? Hell yeah, it's true. Turn the beat on any limit on what I can do. See the top dog and heat, but I'ma fuck the world. I'ma be on tilt until God referrals. You sat me down, I'm still trying to get higher. You looked at me spit when I twisted the fire. Meanwhile, my nigga drunk as fuck, a nigga fucked up. We all fucked up, y'all done fucked up. I brought whole blood, smoke back to up. You niggas know what's up. Damn, I can't stand myself. I love drunk driving, man, I'm sucking milk. Feet on the side, wanna walk on the milk. About to finish the pound, wanna walk on the hill. Hey, we the bros, we the bros. Life for me, it's just we the bros. We the bros, we the bros. Life for me, it's just we the bros. If I fuck her once, then I can fuck her twice. And you heard me right, I might fuck tonight. If I fuck her once, then I can fuck her twice. And you heard me right, I might fuck tonight. Wait, hold up, back in this motherfucking bitch once again. It's a pretty motherfucker with a 40 ounce of brew, my nigga Q when we drunk it in a bed. We getting